We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's a 2021 Porsche GT3 protected with Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So if a thief got the key to this, they'll be able to get the vehicle started, but it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to fire up as soon as they pop it into gear, it switches back off. So what the customer's got to do with this, start the vehicle up. Before they put it in gear, they'll go through a nice simple code. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, but obviously they can change that to whatever they want. Receive that double flash from the hazard lights, and we can drive the vehicle away. When they turn the vehicle off, it takes about 5 seconds to set, and if a thief was to grab the key, try and steal the vehicle, it's going nowhere. This has a service mode when it goes back to the dealer, as long as it doesn't expire, as long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes or more, it becomes a normal vehicle. As soon as they go over that, the system reactivates. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.